Understand, all I am doing in this program, giving you different taste about life, asking you to do yoga, asking you to do puja. It's all nothing but giving you different taste of life, so your cognition, inner image changes. Understand? Change of your inner image will change your whole life. Obsessive compulsive behavior patterns can become powers. The whole life can change if the inner image changes. The good news is inner image can be changed. The great news is I'll do it for you. The whole lifestyle I am giving you, sharing with you, requesting you to follow for next 21 days is just to give you the alternative taste of life. Listen, I can give a better word. Alternative taste of ultimate. You all know something as ultimate and you tasted and it does not taste ultimate and not long lasting. So giving you the alternative taste of ultimate, whether it is Panchakriya or wearing this sacred Rudraksha or having Bhasma or eating with hands, please understand, the food you are eating is cooked as per the scriptures, Hindu cookbook, which is created 60,000 years before directly by Sadashiva. Understand? Whether the yoga you do or the food you eat, everything is directly from Sadashiva. It's one of the oldest, most authentic, time-tested, foolproof. Not just time-tested, tested the time itself. Lifestyle. Understand? This 21 days, the lifestyle I am proposing to you, not just time-tested, tested the time itself. The food you eat, best way to eat is have everything. Don't miss even one pickle. Understand? Everything you are served is to make your body clean and detoxify. And I guarantee, eat as much as you can, you will lose weight. It's guarantee. It's a one-liner for my kitchen. Eat as much as you want and lose weight. Because the food is designed to awaken the life force in you, which more oxygen, more fat is burnt. That's all is the law of life. Protein builds muscle is myth. Breathing builds muscle. Understand, same food dumped in you and protein added becomes only fat. If the same food dumped in you and breathing added becomes muscles. Protein builds muscles is myth. Breathing builds muscles is truth. Food is supposed to be making you breathe. This food does it. And breathing is not just what is going on with your nostrils. Allopathy gives you a very wrong understanding. Breathing is something which goes on with your nostrils alone. No, that is only one dimension of breathing. Prana. In yogic physiology, there are 10 breathings, 10 air circulation happening. Prana, apana, udana, samana. Apana. Prana, Apana, Udana, Samana, Vyana, and there are other 5 minor pranas. So 10 air circulation actions are purified and awakened by this food. So don't miss even a pickle. And any item you ask, we can give you the original verse from which it is made. Neither quality nor quantity is compromised. Please understand, you are eating as Sadashiva wants you. The number of beads you have in your neck chain is prescribed in Kiranagama and Rudraksha Upanishad. And what you are applying on your forehead is done specifically as per Sadashiva's instruction. It's a spiritual alchemy product. The Bhasma sucks the unnecessary toxins accumulated in the third eye region, and processed turmeric removes all the erosion, corrosion, calcification on your third eye. It is decalcifying process. So the lifestyle I am giving you, this 21 days, is alternative lifestyle of the ultimate to give you the new taste about your new inner image, which makes you manifest powers and attract that kind of a situation, society, community, world around you. Understand? You can either create a slum around you or Kailasa around you. You can create anything you want. You can create either a slum around you or Kailasa around you. When the inner image is changed, you create what you want.